Welcome to Beautyistic, where today's review brings a game changer for men's grooming. If you're on the hunt for a device that promises everything from beard trimming to body grooming, you're in for an insightful breakdown of the Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 9 9440. This is a 13-in-1 grooming kit, and it's designed to meet all your needs: beard, face, nose, ear trimming, hair clipping, body grooming, and even manscaping. Whether you're looking for precision or versatility, this kit claims to offer it all. Let's get right into it. This kit is a powerhouse with the capability to trim, detail, contour, fade, and shave, all in one compact system. What sets it apart is the ProWheel feature, with 40 length settings in 0.02-inch steps, ensuring you can adjust it precisely to your liking. The Pro Lock feature locks your setting, so there's no risk of accidental changes mid-trim. Whether you need short stubble or a longer, more groomed beard, this kit gives you the freedom to experiment without compromising control. The ProBlade technology also plays a big role here. It's engineered to glide smoothly, even over tricky areas, providing an efficient and comfortable shave, whether you're grooming your beard, body, or even those delicate nose and ear areas. Braun's AutoSense technology helps adjust the power based on hair type and thickness, making sure each pass is effective no matter the hair length or texture. Now, talking about the performance, this grooming kit stands out in terms of ease of use. The trimmer is lightweight, and incorporating it into your routine feels effortless. I was particularly impressed by how it handled my husband's thicker beard. Even during the more detailed contouring, the blades didn't tug or pull. The body groomer also did an excellent job on areas that typically require extra care. Let's talk about the battery life. The Braun Series 9 9440 is powered by a Li-ion battery that gives you 100 minutes of cordless runtime. This is great if you're a fan of longer grooming sessions, and for anyone who's always on the go, the fact that it comes with a charging stand makes it even more convenient. The trimmer also comes with a premium case for storage, keeping everything organized and safe. It's clear that Braun has thought about longevity here, not just with the blades, which are built to last, but also the overall design and sturdiness of the kit. On the flip side, though, this kit is on the pricier side, and some users may feel the cost doesn't entirely justify the features if they're looking for a more basic trimmer. But if you're someone who enjoys versatility and professional-level precision, then this kit definitely delivers. It offers more than just basic grooming. It's a one-stop solution for those serious about their personal care routine. In terms of comparisons, you might find similar grooming kits out there, but Braun's innovation with the ProWheel and AutoSense technology places this one a notch above the average. While other kits may offer versatility, few provide such professional-grade precision across a range of hair types and lengths. This is a grooming tool built to last, and the powerful battery and sharp blades ensure that you'll get consistent results for the long term. Plus, the inclusion of all these attachments makes it a great all-in-one solution for anyone looking to up their grooming game. So who would benefit most from this? If you're a man who values precision, efficiency, and versatility in your grooming routine, this kit is a great choice. Whether you have a thick beard, need regular body grooming, or like to experiment with your hairstyle, the Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 9 9440 has you covered. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on how it worked for you. The link to purchase this grooming kit can be found in the comments or description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.